everybody.
How are you guys today? How are you guys today?
I don't know about you, Miss Romero, but I feel like this.
Like you're running all the time?
I feel like I'm running here, and I'm running over there, and I'm running everywhere.
Running in circles?
Almost. There's so much happening this month, so I'm like, let's do this. Yes.
You know, I hate to break it to you, but we're already finished our first week in May.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
But you know what, Miss Mata? You got this.
We do.
We're going to
come
come
out
out
on the back, a little pep talk,
and on the last day of school, everyone, all staff, teachers, aides, all classified. Everybody's going to be like, students, parents, we did it.
I can't wait to say that. We already can say it, but we just got to wait a couple more weeks and do the rest of all of this stuff that's happening. And
100%, absolutely.
But a great race.
We're proud of you guys. So we're going to start. Miss Mata, are you ready for the flag salute?
I am ready. All right, everybody. Please put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Well, thank you. You know, I wanted to say I walked by some classes this week, one being Miss Posner's, as a matter of fact, and the kids were saying the flag salute. And I thought, you know, it is so great to hear it happening even without our flag assembly.
That's right.
Really nice. I mean, it should be said every day, but it's really nice to hear it, you know, when you're just walking by.
Exactly. It's an important tradition that we need to continue.
Yes, it is. So boys and girls, we just have some information for you, and we're excited for today, and we want to share because guess
what?
I forgot something. Could you entertain them for like 2 seconds?
Okay.
Maybe we could add some music because I was like, she's not singing, but I think she's dancing. So maybe let's see what comes out after we add a little flair to this. If we could add some music for your dancing, that was awesome, Miss Mata.
Mm-hmm.
When in doubt, Miss Mata is there to entertain
all the time
with a smile and a can-do attitude. So boys and girls, we're going to jump right into our segment. Are you ready, Miss Mata?
I am.
Because it's time for some.
Oh, I thought we were doing something else. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, I'm ready. On my hat, everybody. It doesn't really fit today because my ponytail. So
it looks like a sailor's hat.
It does. Wrong day to wear a ponytail.
But you know what, Miss Mata? I noticed you found your hat.
Yeah. So amazing things happen when you organize and you clean.
Oh.
So I thought my desk area was clean and organized, but my hat was here all along on the organized pile that I had on the side of my desk. It was just flat.
Maybe that's why it's like a sailor's hat, because you bent it.
Yes, maybe that's why. So
but
it looks.
You know what?
We're going to do the best we can with Beth.
Found her good news hat.
That's all that matters.
I know. I kind of jumped into. I just wanted to add a little twist to that.
Yes.
Because Miss Mata, I heard you have some good news. And
I do have some good news. Oh my goodness. We love getting good news from teachers. And so people are jumping on the bandwagon with sharing some ST math news. So Miss Torres, she ran the report in her class to find out how her students were progressing because they've been working really hard. And she's got a couple of kids that are actually close to 100%. But she's got one that is already over that benchmark at 111%.
Good news.
And her name is Sophia.
Sophia?
Whoop, whoop.
You go, girl. Did you say 111%?
I did. Whoop. The hat fell off. It was so excited. Yes.
That is awesome. That is awesome because it means not only are you doing what your assignments are, you're going above and beyond that. So
yes, so she's already finished with the ST Math curriculum, 111%. So way to go, Sophia. And let's see if some more of your students, Ms. Torres, if they can get to that 100% benchmark.
I bet they will because you said the good news was also that she has many students.
Yeah, she's got some that are closer. But she also wanted to brag on her entire class. So they just finished some more good news.
Good news.
They just finished a geography project that they had to work on in Spanish. Their challenge and their assignment was to choose a country of their choice, and they had to draw the flag, and they had to do some research on that country, and they had to present it through Flipgrid. She said that they all rocked it. So that is very good news. So way to go, Miss Torres' class. And we've got a few more assemblies that we are going to be doing. So teachers, send in that news because we're wrapping up the year.
I have something.
Oh, that's right.
I have something. I found this out yesterday, and it was just by chance because just so you know, it's not just 3rd through 8th grade testing, right? We talk about the CAS test and all the kids testing, but our little guys are testing too, right? They're just testing in a different way. And this week, all of the kindergarten teachers have been pulling in kids throughout the day after their cohorts leave to test one-on-one, because if you know kinder, you kind of got to do it one-on-one, right? That means just the teacher and the student. And so yesterday there was a little kiddo in here, and his teacher, Miss Shears, shared with me that he is in kindergarten, has mastered the kindergarten list, has mastered the 1st grade list, and I think she said was only like 2 words away, 2, from mastering the 2nd grade word list.
Woo!
So I need to give it up for Angelo Bendana.
Way to go.
Yeah.
Wow. And those sight word lists are pretty long. There's a lot of words on there. So way to go, Angelo.
Amazing. So great job. Keep it up. And I know there's others of you out there who have been rocking your test. Just share the good news. And sometimes we just happen to be in the right place at the right time. Like yesterday, I just happened to be right here with him, and she shared that awesome news with me. So I was like, I'm going to share that. It was actually not yesterday. What's today? Friday. So it was actually
Wednesday
or Tuesday. Wednesday. I think Wednesday. And he was in here, and awesome.
Way to go. Love
great job, Ms. Torres' class. Great job, Sophia. Great job, Angela. So let's keep it up.
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
I wanted to do the good news dance, and I kind of was jealous that you get to dance all the time. Okay.
I love it.
All right, moving on. Miss Mata.
Yes.
Boys and girls, we should make sure Miss Mata puts her hat in a very safe place. Oh, look, it's flat. See, it's flat.
It is flat, see?
It's not flat. See? That's why.
That's why you don't lose yours.
Because it's always popping out somewhere, huh? Pop, pop. I could see it. Okay, boys and girls, well, I'm going to pass it over because I know somebody has some exciting information to share just on some upcoming events. So let's give it up for Miss Mata.
Ooh, yes, everybody. So like we said at the beginning, we have a lot of things coming up for this end of the month. We're just smashing it all in. So get ready. So because we are in May and it is our last month of school, we decided not to just have one Spirit Day, but we're going to throw in an extra one and we're going to have two. Woohoo!
Good news.
That is some good news. So on May 12th, which is next week, on Wednesday, we would love all of you to showcase your Beardsley attire. So if you've got a shirt, a track shirt, a sweatshirt, anything that you have that says Beardsley on it, we want you guys to wear it because we've had lots of pride all year long, but let's show it with our t-shirts. So
show your pride. Show your pride.
And as usual, send in those photos. I know I love seeing them. And we'll post them on our social media and show everybody in the social media world how much pride our Beardsley students have.
You said there were 2 days.
I did. So that leads me to our next one. On the last week of school, on May 26th, which is another Wednesday, the Wednesday before we get out of school, we are going to have Hawaiian Day. So break out your leis, your floral attire, anything that has flowers on it, because flowers mean, oh, look at that. I love it. I love it. You go, Miss Romero. You're just ready with the props all the time. I love it.
Aloha.
So, aloha. So because Hawaii to me kind of means vacation. So we're going to be getting ready for our summer break. So Wednesday, May 12th, Spirit Day. May 26th, the last week of school, Hawaiian Day.
Ohana. Family.
That's right. We are Ohana.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So that is our 2 Spirit Days. So we also are going to continue to recognize students for Student of the Month because we've got to end with a bang. So I know with all the busyness that is going on this month, sometimes our attitude, we kind of feel overwhelmed or tired or can't do it, worn out. But guess what, guys? We're going to keep up that positive attitude and the can-do attitude and the wake yourselves up attitude and get it done. So we're going to be honoring students for Student of the Month. And I think we will we be doing a separate assembly? I think we probably could.
I think we could.
Yeah, so we'll continue at the end of the month with our final assembly on the final day of school for honoring Student of the Month. And with the end of the year comes trimester awards.
Oh, and that is going to be the same day that we all are in Hawaii, May 26th on Wednesday.
That's right. We are going to honor students in elementary for trimester.
But let's not forget middle school. So we have 8th graders, and 8th graders, you're going to be getting information sent this week. We're going to have a walkthrough promotion, still obviously with social distancing and a little different than traditional, but that will be on May 27th in the morning. And then last day of school will be May 28th, and we'll have our 6th and 7th grade awards on May 28th. And then obviously on the 27th, the students in 8th grade get it. And then you'll be able to come back to bring your laptops and everything and say goodbye on the 28th. That was a lot of information, but there's going to be a lot of things happening the last week of school.
Yes. And should we mention the other activity that's happening the last week of school?
We could.
Okay, we are going to be having a movie day because if you are a student who has been at Beardsley for a while, you know that we always end the school year and end our testing sessions with a school-wide movie day. So we want to continue that tradition. So on May 25th, we are going to be having a school-wide movie day. So it doesn't matter if you are virtual or you are on campus, your teachers will be showing a movie in class. So look to them for some information about that.
Yes. Okay, well, Miss Martha, that was a lot of news.
And don't worry, guys, it's all going to be coming out in Miss Romero's memos, and your teachers will be telling you about all of this information. So don't feel like you have to write it down and worry about that.
And we'll remind you next week during the assembly and the following week during the assembly. So don't worry, we got you.
We got you.
Okay. Well, I think it's time.
I think it's time too. I think I'm going to stand up for this one.
Oh, she's going to touch the lights. She gets so tall when she stands. Look. So tall. Okay. Ooh. See, now she's touching the ceiling. Okay, ready? And walk it out. Or Miss Martha, since we've been running, let's run. Okay, stop. And put your arms out. And roll. Just roll with it. Roll with it. And back. And back. And back. Okay. And reach for the ceiling. And touch your toes. And roll your head, but don't roll it too fast or it might roll off. Okay. And one, I remembered, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
That was like a cheerleader move right there. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh,
I hear you. I hear you. Okay. Gotta loosen up. Okay. In 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act
safely.
I can and I will. I can and I will. And I will. Boys and girls, make it a great rest of your day.
And keep running the race, everybody. We can do this.
Miss Martha has energy, and she's going to do this, and we're going to make it through May. And you guys, you know what? Because we can, and we will.
Bye, everybody.